Hey foodie friends, welcome back to Getting Saucy with Chef Lynn. Today we're going to embark on a delicious adventure with my version of a New Orleans classic, Bananas Foster. Hold on to your aprons guys, because things are going to get a little fiery. Now let's get saucy. First, we need to melt some butter. Then it's time to add our sugar, spice, and everything nice. We're going to add our spices first. That's cinnamon, cardamom, and a little bit of nutmeg. We'll just let those toast up in the butter for about 30 to 45 seconds. That smells so good already, guys. Take a nice nose bath in that. Now we're going to add our brown sugar and vanilla, and we will whisk that constantly until it becomes a sweet, sticky symphony of deliciousness. Once that's good and happy, we can bring our bananas to the party. Now we're going to let those cook until they get a little color on them, like they spend a nice day at the beach. 30 seconds to a minute, probably closer to a minute. Then after about a minute, we can go flipping bananas. Oh, it's so stupid. All right, we're gonna give those maybe another minute on this side to get nice and brown, and once that's done, we can bring in the real star of the show, the rum. Shh, don't tell the bananas. All right, now if you're gonna do this on a gas flame, you might wanna take it off the heat first because things might get a little too hot to handle. But I'm just gonna go right in here because I'm using an electric burner. And now for the flaming Bananas Foster extravaganza. Flambe, 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 flambe. Once the flame subsides, we'll let that cool down slightly. And now we're really gonna cool things down with a few scoops of vanilla bean ice cream. And our toasted walnuts. Now, walnuts aren't traditional, but you know what? This is my kitchen and I do what I want. And there you have it, guys, my delicious take on Bananas Foster. Proof that I'm not the only thing flaming in this kitchen. It's gonna be hot, but I'm gonna taste it anyway. Oh my god, that is so good. You guys remember that Gwen Stefani song? Well, I'm gonna change it to "This dessert is bananas, B-A-N-A-N-A-S. Dessert is bananas, B-A-N-A-N-A-S." The cardamom brings a little bit of a floral note to it, and The crunch of the walnuts just adds another level to the whole dish. It's superb, to be honest. As always, guys, thank you so much for joining me on Getting Saucy with Chef Lynn. Please give me a like and hit that subscribe button, and check the description below for a link to the full written recipe. See you next time.